So we have learned this definition into second part of the video. Now it's the third part of video, and we have to understand this diagram more specifically by theoretical as well as the practical examples. So for understanding this particular diagram, we have to cover the 5 definitions. So here are the 5 definitions that we have to cover: worksheet, grid, rows, columns, and spreadsheet. Basically, a worksheet and spreadsheet are the same things, but these are the two different names we can give to a sheet. So for understanding the worksheet as well as the spreadsheet and the grid lines, we have to understand the rows and columns first. So I have placed on rows on 3rd number and column on the 4th number because they are the subtopics, but they can be prioritized on number first for understanding the other parts. So for suppose I have 2 pens here. The first pen I'm placing here, and the second very parallel to it here. So they are not intersecting now. Intersection will be done in this way. So this is the intersection point. So I'm placing, and I'm not placing them into an intersecting way, I'm placing them into very parallel, so they don't cut each other at some point. Okay, so they are now in a horizontal form. So how they will be in vertical form? For suppose if I place like this, or if I place it like this above it, so black pen is in vertical form, and this pen that is placed on the ground is blue pen is the horizontal line, and black pen is the vertical line, and at some point they are intersecting each other. And for suppose if I have a lot of pens and I put them into way, so these make the grid lines. A grid of square square boxes. Let's make a practical diagram of it. Horizontal line, another horizontal line, third horizontal line 1. Let's represent these lines with some numbers and alphabets. Horizontal line 2, horizontal line 3. Now let's make some vertical lines on it. Vertical line 1, vertical line 2, vertical line 3, vertical line 4. So by using the rows and columns, we have made a grid. This is the grid. Now this is called the spreadsheet as well as the worksheet. Whatever the work we do on Excel, when it is saved, it's known as the spreadsheet. So we have some theoretical as well as practical definitions of them to understand. First definition is a worksheet. A worksheet is single page in a file created by Microsoft Excel. Worksheet is one single page in a file created by Microsoft Excel.